Welcome back to Hi Now Weekender. Now, whether you already love ʻulu or are new to the Hawaiian superfood, Kanoi is in the kitchen ready to enlighten us on the crop's nutritional benefits, where to find it, and a ono recipe you can use to impress the ohana. So, Kanoi, what you making up there?
I think you're going to be a little bit jealous, Kainoa, because I have got Chef Kevin Carvalho from Dean DeLuca here with us. Aloha.
Thanks for having me.
We're going to be talking about the Hawaii ʻUlu Cooperative's Recipe Ready ʻUlu packs. These are 12-ounce freezer-ready packs. I'm excited.
Me too.
Yeah, what you gonna make?
So a lot of people, they jump into ʻUlu and they just deep fry it or make a mash or whatnot. We try to make a little bit different of a recipe. Here we have herb crusted ʻUlu.
Yummy.
So straight from the package. Okay. It's already pre-steamed and peeled for you. You're gonna crust it. We're gonna pop it on here.
Yeah, let's pop it on there. Sounds
I'll
good.
finish searing it right now. And then I pair it with a ʻUlu Vadouvan. So Vadouvan is a French version of curry. It's a little more creamier.
Yeah.
So we got the ʻUlu, we blended that up with the spices, dehydrated it, and then rehydrated it again with coconut milk.
Wow. Now, what other things can ʻUlu be used for?
I mean, anything. So
Yeah.
I make it with breakfast. We do ʻUlu chips, or we do jams and chutneys with it. You can do it with sauces, you can do dips,
Yeah.
you know, everything. So
the funny
really
thing is
versatile.
that ʻUlu is called Hawaiian breadfruit, but it's neither bread nor fruit.
Right, yeah.
So it's actually more like a starch. I guess you can get
Yeah.
kind of like a potato-y, taro kind of consistency.
I want to say it is like a potato if it was a fruit.
Yes, right.
Right?
I've had it in lau lau before, and it was my favorite.
Yes.
And it seems like now, because it's so seasonal, you can't get it year-round. So this is the perfect way to get it, right?
Absolutely. You know, they did Hawaii ʻUlu Co-op did a beautiful thing, and they got all these small farms together that are on the Big Island that are growing ʻUlu, and they made it easier for the consumer to get ʻUlu, where you can just order it like this. You know, the worst part about ʻUlu is cleaning it.
Yeah.
Getting off that big skin and cooking it down. They did it all for you. So.
That's perfect. All right. Well, we got about a minute left. Now, the great thing about this, of course, is that they've got the seal of quality on it, meaning that it is Hawaii grown, Hawaii made, and that the state stands behind it. They put their little stamp of approval on it. So if you want to get any ʻUlu at any time, where can we get these freezer packs?
So if you want to go online to Hawaii ʻUlu Co-op, they will have everything for you. You can order it, not just these ʻUlu packs. They have a lot more products, but this is what we're using today.
I love this.
Yeah, so,
okay, and the great thing about ʻUlu too, it's low fat, low glycemic, non-GMO, gluten-free. It's all of the great things that you need in a food nowadays to not cause allergies. And then you need a great chef in your kitchen.
Everything's online, so this recipe will be online too, and it's super simple to do.
Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Can I try it?
Absolutely.
All right, I'm gonna take my mask off for a second and I'll stay far away from you so we're not breathing each other's air, okay. Ooh, it's got that nice crisp
Get everything with
going
the
on.
chutney.
Get everything. I'm all about the getting everything. Okay, got the chutney. Take a bite here. Ooh. That's amazing. Chef, thank you very much. If you want more information about how you can get these freezer packs or how you can get the sealed quality on your products, you can check out our website, HINowDaily.com. Ooh, super ono.